Slightly growing within me, like a thunder breaks a tree. Oh my, makes me crazy. My body aches and my mind's lazy. My head feels weird, I'm feeling numb. I should stop waiting for you down, but I'm scared when you're not around, 'cause we have these special bonds. And I know how it is like to be alone without you. So I'm just waiting for the strike, tear my insides in two, till you show your bloody face, getting to beats my tiny space. I'm just waiting for the strike, tear my insides in two.
I was lost in the art of a foreign nation, in a shop to escape the rain, not to have a conversation. And that's the moment you step in to find some shelter too, and get a word you're saying bye, girl. Her eyes are red and new, 'cause I don't know what her lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. The birds fly south as the light leaves your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own, waiting for the sun to blossom, hoping to break through the storm. Winter winds lightly touching your soft skin. There's gotta be a brighter day, a summer breeze on silk and honey. A big white horse is running through the golden doors. You know you gotta take the ride. It's now